Hey guys, Disney Collector here with a Mundo playset. This is the Burgers and Hamburgers set. So we have here a playmat, these molds, 3 push molds, orange to make the bun, red to make the hamburger, and yellow to make fries. And 2 colors of Mundo, yellow and red. We're gonna mix some yellow with a little bit of red to make orange. And now we have a brand new color of Mundo. Let's mold the tomato. Onion. And mushroom. Here's our onion, mushroom, and tomato. They come out of the mold super easy. We're gonna try the push molds. First, French fries. Whoa! Easier than I expected. We're gonna make more French fries. First we press the Mundo and then mold. And there's no mess to clean it up. Let's make the bun for our hamburger. Nice. And now the hamburger. Came out perfect. Time to make the cheese, but there's no molds for the cheese. So we're just gonna press the Mundo. And cut. Looks pretty good. Onions and tomato. And we made a hamburger with cheese, tomato, and onions. Now we're gonna make a hamburger using Play-Doh. And we can make more tomatoes. Now we clean up the little mess. And we're ready to make some onions. Let's make more mushrooms. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more from Mundo right here on Disney Collector.